Well, hello internets and my 30 subscribers now. Well, what we have here today, it's like a failure product. I'm trying to get my radio, my old radio, which doesn't have actually it does have, wait, yes it does, it has a line out and a line in, but connecting those directly to the PC would be problematic because all the, well, basically I don't have a line out from from the laptop. I only have microphone input and a speaker out. So issue number one is that the microphone input provides a 2 point something volts on the microphone, and yeah, it will fry basically what's on the radio. But these boards are something else in entirety. They also have a large DC offset on the output, on the actual sound output. They have like 1.4 volts here, and yeah, that's a no-no. I didn't. How am I going to show you the voltage? Wait a second. All right. So when I got this meter, uh, I said I don't need the battery powered one. I'm only gonna use it plugged in. So now I'm doing all kind of shenanigans to have it in camera. This is a model I didn't modify, and just to show the issue here, this is the microphone input, and on the microphone input we have 2.5 volts right on both of these because these are like soldered together inside, and on the speaker output we have 1.2 volts on this one, but on the other one I have 1.4 volts. So yeah, it's an issue. I'm not gonna plug even my headphones into this, but and I'm gonna show you how they sound. They practically very distorted. Let me show you the other one. Now this I have modified. I've removed the resistor from the microphone side, but on the speaker I still have 1 volts the DC here, and yeah, that's a boo boo. The resistor here, if I can find it, is just a teeny weeny, and I'm never going to get this into focus. Yeah, it's a very small resistor. It's a 2K piece. Yeah, it was around the board somewhere around here, and yeah, I just desoldered it, and now it's okay. Now we have like, I don't know, normal DC bias like 40 something millivolts. Let's check again. Wait, why do I have 0.8? That's not okay. Some what is happening here? Pause the video. Pause the video. Now, before I even got to plug this in, I had to solder the USB pins. Well, actually, I only soldered once. This guy over here, because yeah, this was like no solder on it. The other one, I just left it like that, and yeah, it was all bubbly and stuff, and now it's not. Now I have to figure out why I'm still getting 0 point something volts there, because I swear I just measured that and I had like 40 millivolts, not 0.6. This is something fishy here. This might be a capacitor discharging because it's going down, which is still bad, I'm going to lie. But yeah. Oh, I'll be right back. Right, let's try that again. I've desoldered the socket jacks here, whatever, piece of crap anyway. So yeah, I did that in the hope that I might get a better look at what the wiring, but to no avail. I've resoldered this resistor back on, but yeah, I still had like 0.6 volts. Now I don't. I don't know why. I don't know how, but now I don't. So measuring now, we should have like 50 milliamps, 60, whatever, 70 milliamps. If I put this into current mode, it will draw nothing, and basically that's what I did. I measured amps over these two terminals with the risk that I will break this board, because yeah, this is like the cheapest ever. €1, like €2, something. Yeah. Right. So the microphone input now has no DC offset on it. So if it does, it's a negligible one. We now have to hook up our microphone, our dynamic microphone, and see if we actually get something in, something recorded. The speaker still has 1.4 volts. So let me show you how this sounds with the speakers without the proper output coupling capacitor, and we're just going to play a random YouTube stuff video. Right, so let me just try and put this over here, and I don't know if you are going to hear the audio, but it's very distorted with without this cap. Doesn't even do anything. But if I put the coupling cap the right way around, we do have some output. So yeah, put an electrolytic on this, and maybe we won't have like that DC bias over there. Let me just measure this again, because I'm paranoid and don't want to break the radio for a $2 part. Whatever. Yeah, this looks good. Right. Let me just solder the mic on there and see if we actually get something out of it. All right. We have the. I just soldered one microphone here on the mic input, and it's this Uher nice microphone. On the PC, I have the sound recorder app. Let's see if we get something out of it. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Well, at least it's doing something, and yeah, I don't think that we're going to get audio, but we have a nice waveform here, and yeah, I think that if I get this output max, and yeah, I don't know if maybe I will overlay this on the video, but yeah, it does work. Time to measure the DC offset again, because paranoia, and yeah, I think I'm going to solder that cap in anyway, and maybe we will play this microphone recording on that. Actually, no, let's do that. All right, let's see if we can actually get some audio out. Testing. Uher microphone. Sprache settings. And testing Uher microphone music settings. The microphone input is really low, and that's kind of a good thing because we are not going to actually use a microphone with this. We are going to use a line in, and I'm actually going to attenuate that a bit. Now I don't really know what the line in level will be, and I just sold my oscilloscope. Um, but yeah, we're going to try and see that anyway. Phew, I don't know how to end this video. This sucks. Don't use this for their intended purposes. These are like the cheapest one you can get, €2 or $2. Cheap USB sound cards. They come in all various sizes and shapes, and they have like 3D sound something on them. But yeah, they do really suck. Um, this one has like uh, coupling caps and stuff, but this still has issues. Has a huge DC offset on the speakers. This will fry your speakers. They will get hot if not fried. And yeah, um, the microphone input will work fine with condenser microphones, with the new style of microphones that they do need like don't know 2 volts to work properly, but not with a dynamic mic, not with this that they're basically just speakers inside this, but with a much higher impedance. So yeah, um, but you do bind them and modify them and hack them and use them for ham radio, right? So yeah, bye bye.